Acts chapter 2 verse 4 says, "And they were all filled with the Holy Ghost, and began to speak with other tongues as the Spirit gave them utterance." Imagine the thrill of such a powerful experience. Each of those faithful followers of Jesus who had patiently waited for the promise of Pentecost were filled with God's Spirit and spoke in languages that they have never learned, as the Spirit of God miraculously granted them the ability. See, they heard what sounded like the gust of wind, and they heard one another speak in tongues. Welcome to the sounds of Pentecost.